When it comes to endpoint protection, especially in environments built around Windows, two major players dominate the conversation: SentinelOne and Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Both deliver advanced security, automation, and integration for modern workplaces, but they take slightly different paths to reach the same goal: keeping your systems safe. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the smarter choice for Windows-focused businesses. SentinelOne is known for its powerful, autonomous endpoint protection platform. It uses artificial intelligence to detect, prevent, and respond to threats in real time, without relying heavily on cloud connectivity or manual input. The core idea behind SentinelOne is self-defense. The system continuously monitors behavior across endpoints, looking for suspicious activity, ransomware patterns, or lateral movement within the network. What sets SentinelOne apart is its focus on automation. When it detects a potential threat, it can isolate the device, roll back system changes, and remove the threat, all automatically. This means less dependence on human analysts and faster containment of attacks. For small security teams or organizations that need quick, autonomous protection, that is a major advantage. Now let's look at Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. As part of the Microsoft 365 security suite, it is built right into the Windows ecosystem. That native integration is one of its biggest strengths. It ties directly into Windows security features, Microsoft Intune, Azure Active Directory, and the rest of the Microsoft 365 stack. For businesses already invested in Microsoft's ecosystem, that means fewer compatibility issues and a unified management experience. Defender for Endpoint combines signature-based detection with advanced behavioral analysis, just like SentinelOne. It uses cloud intelligence and telemetry from Microsoft's massive global network to identify new and evolving threats. It also leverages Microsoft's threat intelligence team, which is constantly analyzing data from billions of endpoints around the world. This global insight gives Defender a major edge in recognizing emerging attack patterns quickly. So which one is the better endpoint defense integration for Windows shops? If your organization is heavily invested in Microsoft tools and values simplicity, seamless integration, and global threat intelligence, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint is the natural choice. It provides strong protection with minimal setup and works perfectly within the Windows environment. Both are excellent at what they do. SentinelOne offers unmatched automation and forensic detail. Microsoft Defender offers effortless integration and scale across Windows environments. The right choice depends on your security priorities, whether you want independence and automation or deep integration and consistency. Either way, both platforms deliver enterprise-grade protection built for the challenges of today's cyber landscape.